What you probably saw is a movement called Takiotoshi. Has to do with taki is like rapids or waterfall, or tosu to drop. So the idea of this is to carry the staff when you miss or when you screw up, or moving around an opponent to confuse them over your back and back over. So whatever position you're in this case my right hand is down, my left hand is up. Perhaps Seigan no Kamae, Chudan no Kamae, I'm holding it here. When you hit with whatever you hit with, the idea is to bring this front side of the staff over your back here to catch and bring back over. Hence the name, like dropping rapids, dropping waterfall. The idea is to throw this behind your back, have the tip toward the opponent, re-catch it, and smash down on the top of their head. Of course, you can take it over your left or right shoulder, it makes no difference. My left hand is here. When it goes behind me, my index finger holds against the stick. Very slowly, I'm moving, I've missed or hit. I'm taking the staff around, in this case, the left side of my body, over my left shoulder. Or you can go around to the right. Think of a bow and arrow and quivers or drawing a sword. So I move, catch, re-catch with my right, use your body to fling the staff from the heavens down onto Tento Manuchi here. So here, or over the left, you can take it here. You can flip it and catch it, but I don't recommend that because you're actually making the stick go over your shoulder. You lose it for a moment. But the idea is to move around the opponent and hit very quickly. Attack from unseen places to confuse and bring it around here and hit. So add this over the back movement to your arsenal of Bojutsu movements here. It's a very effective movement in Bojutsu.